So I have the Garmin Forerunner 255, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you what to do in case your watch does not charge or it's not charging. So normally, obviously, you will plug in the charger on the back of the phone, just align like that, and plug in the charger like that, and the watch should start charging, as you can see. So mine is charging, but I'm just gonna pretend it's not charging so I can show you a few things you can do. Now, the first and most important thing you want to do if it's not charging is to change the power source. So you can unplug it from the power source it's currently connected to and plug it into somewhere else, like a power bank, like a laptop, another charging brick, anything else. Just try any other assured power outlet and see if the watch is going to charge. So currently, as you can see, I've connected mine to a power bank and it should be charging. As you can see, it's charging. Now, in case that does not work, then you might be running extremely low on battery and maybe your watch needs to charge up for a bit. So you might want to connect the charger and give it about 15 to 20 minutes and then come and try and see if the watch will turn on, especially if the watch was completely off and it won't charge. The battery might be completely off and you might need to give it some time for it to charge. Now, if that still does not work, then you might want to first of all disconnect the charger and then check if there's a bit of debris that's built up into the charging cable. You can see it's a bit of a hollow there. So in case you have too much dirt that has collected in there, then you might have problems. So what you want to do is blow into that hole. Just keep blowing as hard as you can, and maybe if there's too much dust in there, it might get off. Also, you might want to wipe the connectors. Just give them a firm wipe. If you have some alcohol solution, then you can use that to dampen the cloth and also wipe that, and that might get the dirt off the watch. And then maybe you can go ahead and try to connect once again. Now, if that still does not work, then you might want to try something else. So with the charger still connected, grab your watch and then press the light button for about 15 to 20 seconds until the screen goes completely off. Okay, so let's try that. So only the light button, this one right here. So press and hold. Just keep holding. Just ignore what you're seeing on the screen. Keep holding. Keep holding. Ignore all that. Keep holding. Keep holding. The screen goes off. Now you've currently forced a shutdown, and now you can press it for about 2 seconds to restart. And as you can see, the watch is going to restart. So that's basically a forced restart, and that should take care of any of the problems you might have charging your Garmin watch. So let's just wait for it to restart. There you go. So after it restarts, make sure it's plugged in again to whatever power source you think is reliable, and the watch should be charging. Now, at least one of those things should help you solve your problem. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. Especially let me know if any of these problems did not work and what you tried and didn't work. But thanks for watching and good luck.